Hey everyone, welcome to your Algo Lab. In today's session, we'll give you a quick recap of the most anticipated earnings releases. We'll also take a closer look at individual companies and their peers within the same sector. Without further ado, let's dive in. Bank of America Corp ranks among the world's largest financial institutions, offering a comprehensive range of services including consumer banking, investment banking, wealth management, and corporate finance. In Q3 2024, Bank of America reported earnings per share of 90 cents, surpassing the consensus estimate of 78 cents. Strong revenue from trading, investment banking, and wealth management fees contributed to this performance, though activity typically slows toward the year's end. The bank is projected to achieve around $14.3 billion in net interest income for Q4, building on the sequential increase from $14.1 billion in Q3, in line with market expectations. In the same sector, we have Citigroup, a major global financial services company offering a broad range of financial products and services, including consumer banking, corporate and investment banking, securities brokerage, and wealth management. In Q3, Citigroup reported earnings of $1.52 per share, exceeding the $1.34 estimate. However, concerns over the potential risk of an asset cap weighed on the stock despite the earnings beat. The bank's card loss ratios improved more than expected, offering some reassurance for its Q4 outlook. Core net interest income, NII, for Q3 slightly exceeded expectations, with stability anticipated for Q4. Trading, investment banking, and wealth management, along with its services business, showed strong momentum following a revenue beat, aided by favorable market conditions. Additionally, efficiency gains were evident as costs remained in line with projections. Next, let's evaluate the performance of Bank of America and Citigroup in comparison to their peers in the diversified bank sector. This sector is cyclical, with its performance closely tied to interest rates, financial regulations, and overall economic conditions. We have compiled key financial metrics for Bank of America, Citigroup, and their competitors, divided into two categories, quality and valuation. The quality section includes metrics like net profit margin and debt-to-equity ratio, where higher composite scores are more favorable. Metrics such as free cash flow margin and current ratio were excluded as they are less relevant for financial institutions. In the valuation section, lower values suggest more attractive investment opportunities. Goldman Sachs is a leading global investment banking, securities and investment management firm with a focus on investment banking, trading and asset management. In Q3 2024, Goldman Sachs posted earnings per share of $8.40, surpassing the consensus estimate of $6.93. Stronger trading and fee revenue bolstered its leading positions in equities trading and M&A, with nearly 20% upside in the former. Effective cost control is improving efficiency and operating leverage, supporting profitability into Q4. Additionally, a sequential rise in its investment banking fee backlog, driven by advisory services, along with robust asset management inflows, further boosts the outlook. Despite stalled investment income, the top line exceeded expectations. Next, let's assess how Goldman Sachs has performed compared to its peers in the investment banking and brokerage sector. This sector is cyclical, with its performance closely tied to market conditions, interest rates, and the broader economy. We have compiled key financial metrics for Goldman Sachs and its competitors, divided into two categories, quality and valuation. The quality section includes metrics like net profit margin and debt-to-equity ratio, where higher composite scores are more favorable. Metrics such as free cash flow margin and current ratio were excluded, as they are less relevant for financial institutions. In the valuation section, lower values suggest more attractive investment opportunities. On this channel, we share tested strategies for investing and trading, covering everything from technical analysis and fundamentals to economic trends and sentiment-based algorithms. If you don't want to miss out on any of our content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.